episode 6 of the duct tape rep strap. Here we are. We've actually been here for like an hour now, haven't we? We plugged it in, and of course we hadn't changed anything, but they had changed themselves. We had to reinstall firmware like 10 times.
We live in an age of intelligent machines.
Yeah, we do. Anyway, so here we are. We've got it all working again. Well, we hope. We haven't actually tried doing like dry run or anything. You'll see. Well, actually, you won't see because there's no. You can't really see that, but I'll move it around. We are actually missing everything on the x-axis except for the motor. That's because we have now printed out a thing for the extruder.
You mean an extruder?
What?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we printed out. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Printed this out. It's pretty cool. I'll give a link to the STLs in the description because they're great. They will. They look like they will work perfectly. This is a J-head adapter. The problem was that we couldn't get enough grip between this the motor gear and the thing that was holding the plastic in place. Now we've changed that, so this is metal. We bought this off the internet. This is a bearing. So yeah, it's good. What we're going to do now is we're going to go downstairs and outside, and we're going to try and make a new carriage for the x-axis. So we'll see how that goes.
Alright.
Yeah. Catch you later. Okay.
Alright, so the carriage, or the hot end / extruder thingy, will go through here, and these will sit on the X bars.
Yeah.
So
this is like the top of like a plastic box that I have.
Yeah.
So here we are. We have made the new extruder, the new carriage for the extruder. It took a while, but I think it's pretty good. Moves quite nicely.
Also tightened up a lot of stuff.
Yeah. And so now we are going to try and print. We've got the plastic going in now. This is the first time we've had the filament in the new extruder. We're not sure if it's going to work properly because the gear hasn't been tightened as much as it could be.
Because we were missing what Alistair would call an Allen key.
Yeah, an Allen key or a hex key or whatever. Anyway, Carl still has to hold the motor like I did in the last video. Just because it's just a bit slack, we'll fix it. Don't worry, it's not a big problem. Alright, so I'm going to press the print button now. So hey, you should have just seen us printing, well, the first print of, I put the time-lapse of the cube before this. This is actually a week after, so last week's footage is all edited and everything. You saw the cube. Since then, I have tried to print parts, failed horribly, and so we're here again with a new roll of duct tape, some WD-40 for making things smooth.
Hex keys.
Hex keys, yeah, for tightening the gear on the extruder. A lot of stuff. We had a checklist. It's the first checklist we've ever had.
Yeah, maybe we should make more of those.
Yeah. And we're going through it quite fast. We've put the... hang on, let me show you. We have changed the y-axis is the biggest change, I guess. We've moved these rods. These rods used to be below this threaded rod, like on the Prusa design. We have changed the position of the motor. You see, we've actually duct taped it to the floor because we don't want it moving. We don't want it skipping. We've re-duct taped the x-axis. We have
done a lot, haven't we?
Yeah, we've done so much. What else have we done? Carl is working on the bed right now, and you can see if you hold up just a little bit, yeah. Those 4 things on there, those are Coke cans that we've cut up, and we've made them into like little bent U-shapes, and then screwed them to the MDF. Those will be our guides for the y-axis. So when it was printing before, you might have seen the video, it was wobbling slightly whenever it moved back and forth. Now it won't.
So, we've made some pretty big improvements today. It's been a productive day.
Definitely has.
And now we're going to see if we can print with it.
Alright, here we go. Okay, it does not seem to be extruding. Why is it not extruding?